the average of three distinct real number is 28. If the smaller number is increased by 7 and the largest number is reduced by 10, the order of the numbers remains unchanged, okay, and the new arithmetic mean becomes 2 more than the middle number. Why the difference between the largest and smaller numbers becomes 64? Then the largest number is the original set of the three numbers is. Let the three numbers are A, B, C. A is less than B, less than C, okay, in order, right. So, A is the smallest one, B is the middle one, C is the largest one, right. Now, the average of three distinct number is 28 and their average is given, average is 28, right, okay. Now, if the smaller number is increased by 7, so smaller number has become A plus 7. If smaller number is increased by 7 and the largest number is reduced by 10, largest number is reduced by 10, okay. The order of the numbers remains unchanged. So, numbers are again in the same order, right. This is the smallest, B is the middle one and the C minus 10 the largest, and the new average, the new arithmetic means become 2 more than the middle number. Middle number is B, so new arithmetic mean is B plus 2, okay. Then while the difference between the largest number C minus 10, C minus 10 minus difference between the largest number and smallest number, smallest is A plus 7, this difference becomes 64, right, this is 64. Then the largest number is, so basically we have three variable, let us see we can frame some equations. So, from here we got C minus A, okay, C minus A minus 10 and this is minus 7, minus 17. So, if you remove 17 from here, right, 64 minus 17, right. So, they are saying that the difference between the largest number and the okay. So, C minus 10 minus A plus 7. So, C minus A is minus 10 minus, it will be 64 and minus 10 minus 17 plus 17, right. So, this will be not minus 17 plus 17. So, this will be I think 81, right, okay. It's 1, so 81. So, one equation we got C minus A is 81, this is we got one equation, right. Again we knew that average of three number is 28. So, the sum will be A plus B plus C, let us call it 1, A plus B plus C will be 28 into 3, right, 28 into 3 and that is 84. So, A plus B plus C is 84, let us call it the second equation, and then we have average of this number, right, these numbers is B plus 2. So, A plus 7 plus B and plus C minus 10, this is equal to 3 times their average, that is 3 times B plus 2, right, B plus 2. So, if you simplify this, okay, so from here we will get let us take 3B that side. So, A minus B minus 3B, A minus 2B, okay, is equal to, this side will be 3 into 2, 6, 10 will come that side plus 16, 16 minus 7, it will be 9, right, okay. Let us recheck. Oh, C is also there, right, okay, I made a mistake, okay, just a minute. So, if I take 3B that side, it will be A minus 2B, okay, plus C, C is already there, plus C, take all numbers right hand side. So, 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 10, 16, 16 minus 7, 16 minus 7 is 9. So, this is 9, right. Let us call it number 3, right. Now, you see we have to solve for C, we have to get the value of C. Now, if we subtract, okay, 2 minus 3, right, if I do 2 minus 3, if you do 2 minus 3, what we will get, right? 2 minus 3. If you do 2 minus 3, right, this a get cancelled, a plus c and a plus c will get cancelled. It is, we are doing 2 minus 3. So, it b, we are doing 2 minus 3. So, this minus this. So, b minus or minus 2, 2b, it will become 3b. 3b will be equal to, it will be 84, it will be 84 minus 9, right, 84 minus 9, 84 minus 9. So, 84 minus 9 will be how much? 84 minus 9 will be 75, right, 75. So, we will get b equals to 25. So, we got b equals to 25. Okay. Now, we have to solve for c. Already we have c minus a here. Now, b is 25. So, let us put b equals to 25 here, right, in the 3, in the second 2, from 2. So, from 2, a plus 25 plus c is 84, right. So, from here we will get a plus c or c plus a will get 84 minus 25. So, it will be it will be 59, right. Okay. Okay. So, 59. So, c plus a is 59. Now, c plus a is 59, let us call it 4, right. C plus a is 59 and here we got c minus a is 81. So, from 1 and 4, right, if I add 1 and 4, if I do 1 plus 4, if we add it, what we will get? 1 plus 4, right. So, 1 is c minus a and 4 is c plus a. If we add a get cancelled, we get 2c and 2c equals to 81 plus 59, that will be 140, right, we will get 140. So, from here we will get c equal to 70, right. So, the question is, the largest number is the original set of numbers, that is 70, the largest number is c and c is 70. Okay. So, the answer is 70 for this question. I hope this is clear. Okay.